Hello teachers, this is Teacher Jan and a lot of you were asking kung paano ko ba ginagawa yung sa video na pinost ko last night regarding or the class about I have a big brain with my regular student. So yes, it's very helpful using this application. It's called Voicemeeter Banana. Yeah, so the application is called Voicemeeter Banana. But this one is not the application that I'm used for translation. Ang gamit nito is parang ano lang siya, tawag to, amplifier. Yes, yung parang amplifier lang na nagda-drive ng iba't ibang input-output papunta sa iba't ibang devices ng computer mo. But anyway, I'll walk through that, and I hope that this tutorial video will be helpful to you also. Alright, so let's start by telling you kung saan ko ba natutunan si Voicemeeter Banana. Okay? So yes, Voicemeeter Banana, natutunan ko siya sa video ni Zephyr, a YouTuber. Ito yung video niya, and by the way, I'll give you also the link kung naguguluhan pa rin kayo sa pinagsasabi ko, then you should watch this video also. And obviously we need Google Translate for this process na para maging successful itong application na to because itong Google Translate kasi meron siyang feature na you can translate lahat ng sinasabi mo by voice. Translate by voice. This icon over here. Right? And there's another icon here. Now, for example, blah blah blah. Mm-hmm.
等等等等等。
Dung, 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 dung. Yeah, you can. There's another icon here na pag pinlay mo, maririnig mo yung Chinese word or for any language, Spanish, Japanese, kahit ano. Anong trip mo, Korean, ganyan. Alright, but anyway, that's the use of this tawag dito, application, Google Translate. Okay, so this one is very obvious na kailangan mo, but you can use other applications na hiyang ka. But you have to make sure na merong ganitong feature and the other one na pinakita ko kanina para gumana yung ating Voicemeeter Banana. And you have to download these applications. The first one is our virtual cable, and the second one is our, yes, the Voicemeeter Banana. Voicemeeter Banana, marami siyang gamit actually. It's not, hindi lang siya, no, translation. Hindi lang siya parang amplifier. And I've decided to use this, and actually I've been using this for 3 or 5 months already since I became a top tutor and handling trial classes. And yes, very helpful talaga siya, especially sa mga zero learners, young learners, mga adults na hirap sa English talaga. Then yes, it's very useful. For useful in what way? Maybe making instructions. Pag gusto mong may matutunan si student na bagong word na hirap siyang intindihin in English, and you can use this application. Voicemeeter Banana and virtual cable. Alright. Okay, so before we start, pakita ko niyo muna sa inyo kung paano nga ba gumagana si Voicemeeter Banana. Now, for example, gusto mo turuan si teacher, or si not si teacher, si student ng bagong word. For example, sabihin mo, cat. Right? You can type down the words and play it. As you can see here right now, nagpa-fluctuate yung aking mic icon, meaning gumagana yung mic natin. So good, check. And the second one, now listen, try to look closely over here.
Mo.
Yes, can you see that? Nag-fluctuate siya, meaning naririnig ni student yung sound coming from our Google Translate. Okay, now for example, gusto mong pagbasahin si student. Now please read. Can you also do that? You can also do that.
请阅读
Yes, alright. Or pag tamad ka naman nag-type, ito yung another option. Second option na pwede mong gawin. You can say, I want you to read it by yourself. Mhm.
我希望您自己阅读。
Yes. So, yun. Kung tamad ka mag-type, then para sa ito. This one's for you. Kung tamad ka mag-type. But the downside when using this icon, translate by voice, dapat yung diction tsaka pronunciation tugma doon sa kung anong gusto mong sabihin. Kasi itong Google Translate, it can misdetect yung words na gusto mong sabihin. Na for example, instead of sabihin mo na I like Coke. Pag medyo sablay yung pagkasabi mo, pwedeng masabi ni Google na I love Coke. Or I like Coke. Which is very wrong naman talaga. But pag yan, in that case, you just have to choose the word and retype it again. Okay? You can say and then type. Say the word and then type it again. Alright? So yes, that's how you correct it. So yun nga, yun yung pinakagamit ni ni Voicemeeter Banana in my classes. Alright, now this time tuturo ko naman sa inyo, or I want you to know kung paano gumagana si Voicemeeter Banana. Okay? Now, ito yung Google Translate. This one is our Google Translate, our virtual cable, Voicemeeter Banana, and ito yung si student. As for example, itong si Google Translate will make a system sound papunta kay cable output or kay virtual cable. And then si virtual cable naman, magdadrive siya ng system sound papunta naman sa kay tawag dito, Voicemeeter Banana. Alright, and then si Voicemeeter Banana, magdadrive siya ng sound papunta kay microphone. And then after that, ang mic produce naman ng sound papunta kay student. Alright. So ganyan yung process ni Voicemeeter Banana. Okay, so start na natin yung installation muna tayo. So installation, you have to go onto this link. Bibigay ko din mamaya. Yeah, that link. And obviously you need to download and install these. Zip file and exe file. Download nyo itong dalawa. And if you're using Windows, then download this one. And if you're using Mac, then you have to download this one. I'm not sure with Mac kung paano siya gumana. But if you try to, kung subukan nyo lang sundin yung mga settings na gagawin ko, then probably gagana din siya. But I'm not 100% sure because yung ginagamit ko is Windows. Alright? So yun, after that, kung tapos mo nang i-download, punta ka lang sa downloads. Downloads files mo. Downloaded files. Yan, ito, downloads. Yan, ito na yung zip file. It should look like this, dalawang zip file. When open that, hanapin mo lang yung exe setup. Ito. Yan, open that one. Run. You don't need to sign up or maybe pay for something pag ginagamit mo tong app. Kaya nga, gustuhan ko talaga siya kasi libre na and you don't need to sign up for anything. Yes, okay. Nang unang kita nyo, maguguluhan ka talaga. Honestly, hirap ako nung una kong gamit nito. But I will try to make it simple and short for you. We have to move it a little bit. Yan. Alright, gumalaw na siya. Okay, but anyway, kung wala kang makitang icons dito ni Voicemeeter Banana, you can go to your startup menu, type Voicemeeter Banana, and then yun, boom, kikita mo na siya. But, pag wala pa rin, go to your files, my computer, your disk kung saan nakasave yung mga files, program files, hanapin mo yung BB, cable, then yan. Ito, dito lang siya. Somewhere there. Okay? So yan, pag na-open mo na, you will see this one as I've what meron siyang ano, excuse me. Meron siyang tatlong input. So we have input 1, input 2, input 3. So you have three input options. Same thing with output options or output channel. Tatlo din. So 1, 2, 3, A1, A2, A3. Yan yung mga devices natin. If you are using other devices such as Bluetooth devices, Bluetooth speakers, desktop speakers, laptop speakers, yan, lahat ng klase ng speakers, as long na pwede siyang i-drive sa laptop mo, then you can actually add it here. Yan. So in my case, I'm using three. I'm using my desktop speakers, laptop speakers, tsaka yung mic. No, not mic. My headset. Okay? So first one, pwede yung pwedeng random. Alright? Pwedeng i-random. But you cannot leave this number one blank. Kasi ito yung pinaka-default ni Voicemeeter. Pag wala to, tapos wala din to, then obviously, hindi siya gagana. Okay, so for in my case, ginagamit ko yung number 1 for my laptop speakers, number 2 for my headset, number 3 for my desktop speakers. So 1, 2, 3. As you can see, marami siyang ibang options, but it's all the same. WDM man siya, KS man siya, MMME man siya. Pare-parehas lang yan. Ang gamit naman nito kung for example, meron kang static sounds na naririnig sa yung device, then lipat-lipat mo lang. Yan. And that could actually fix the problem. So, yeah, so that's the first thing that we're going to do. And the second one is our mic. Ito. Mic. Actually, nakalagay dito una is hardware input. Pinalitan ko lang ng mic. Okay. So in choosing that one, not right click. Click that one. And then choose your preferred microphone. Kung anong ginagamit mo na mic sa class, then you can do that. In my case, crisp microphone. But, itong crisp microphone, ito lang yan. Ito, yung microphone for USB, ito din siya. Pares lang yan. Kasi itong crisp, dinrive ko yung mic na to dito sa crisp app na ito. Yes. And I know a lot of tutors using applications like this, and it's very helpful when your surroundings or your environment is very noisy. Hmm. Yes, I also suggest this one using using Crisp when using this Voicemeeter Banana. Maganda siya. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back with here. Okay, so yun na. Step 1 natin, mic setup. Choose your preferred microphone. And that one. Okay, make sure also that itong B1 na to, ito yung pinaka-mic natin sa voice meter banana. Okay? Pinaka-mic natin. So, always make sure na naka-green tong B1 to. Alright? And this one is your toggle. If you want to make your voice a little low, then obviously hindi nyo na ako masyadong marinig. It's just a toggle. Volume up, volume down. Mhm. And the second step or the next step is ito, yung Google Chrome. Kung Google Chrome naman, ito dito na papasok si virtual cable. Yes, cable output. Ito na siya, cable output. As what I've said, yung cable output, yun yung magdadrive from Google to Voicemeeter Banana. So ito, WDM, KS, pares lang yan. Same thing from your other devices dito sa A1, A2, A3 sa output mo. So, yun na nga. Google Chrome, cable output, check. Check mo lang. And then, same thing, Google, volume up, volume down. And this one, we have, di ba, meron tayong three outputs, which is, in my case, my laptop speakers, my headset, my desktop speakers, and our microphone. You have to leave at least two. Yes. Ito, hindi mo pwedeng galawin to. Laging nakalight to. Or, you can also. Pero, pag pinatay mo to, yung Google Translate or the sound coming from your Chrome, hindi na maririnig ni student. So, you have to make that sure na naka-on to if you want your student to hear sounds from your computer. Oh, no, not from your computer, from Google Chrome only. Yes. At itong A1, A2, H3, ito naman yung audio output mo. As what I've said, your speakers from here. So, kung gusto mong isa lang gagana, for example, gusto mo lang yung headset mo kung gusto mo lang na sa headset mo lang siya marinig. I'm so sorry with my Tagalog. Hindi talaga. Hindi naman kasi talaga ako Tagalog eh. Yes. Yes, number two. If you only want the sound to come out or to drive from your speaker sa headset lang, then you should choose A2. Okay, but kung trip mo na gusto mong malakas tsaka gamit yung mga ibang speakers mo, then you can check that one. Okay, and the third one, this one hindi natin gagamitin to because wala naman talaga ano to. This one, kung mahilig ka sa games or streaming, this could be helpful for you. You can put Discord, any games that you want from your mic na basta meron siyang input. Pwede mong idagdag dito. Pero dito sa class N, wala naman. Hindi natin kailangan to. And we have virtual inputs. Okay, na itong virtual inputs naman, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, itong Google Chrome 1, 2, 3, kung ano yung sound na lalabas kay Google Chrome, yun lang yung maririnig mo. Itong virtual inputs naman, if you have this off, then wala kang maririnig na other applications from your computer. For example, off to, and then you're using your class in, magtataka ka, but parang wala akong maririnig. And probably you have turned it off. So you have to turn it on. Okay? Yes. So turn that on, turn that on, turn that on. So yes, ito na yung pinaka set up natin. Alright. And meron pa ba? Oh, yeah. Go to your menu and always to check this one. System tray run at startup. Kasi pag naka-uncheck to, pag close mo yung Voicemeeter Banana, mawawala yung recordings mo or yung mic mo. Mawawala yung mic mo. And not only that, yung kung anong sinet up mo dito, pag naka-uncheck to, pag naka-close yung Voicemeeter Banana, then mawawala lahat ng sinet up mo. So you have to make sure na naka-check yan. And also go to your system settings. And this one is also another complicated part pagdating sa pag-set up ng Voicemeeter Banana. So as you can see here, preferred main sample rate should be 44 and 100 Hz. Now this frequency, dapat ito yung uniform frequency mo na gagamitin sa lahat ng device. Mapa headset man yan, mapa laptop speakers man yan, mapa desktop speakers lang yan. It should be the same as the frequency na ginagamit mo. Alright? Pwede kang pumili dyan. So that's it. Now, after that, kung makikita mo tong icon na to, yes, probably kung hindi, itong parang arrow up na to. Open mo lang yan, then makikita mo yung icon mo somewhere here. Right click, punta ka ng sounds. Okay, close this one. Okay, so we have three sub-menus. So we have playback, recording, sounds, communications. Alright, on playback, number one, punta ka kay Voicemeeter input. You can enable or disable this one. Kasi hindi naman natin ito gagamitin. So, ito lang siya. Voicemeeter input. Okay, Voicemeeter input. You have to set that as your default device by clicking and then ito. But in my case, naka-default na siya kasi itong green check na to, that will indicate that this device is your default device. Alright? And open, advance. Then, sabi ko nga, itong frequency is dapat parehas sila lahat. Yes, 24-bit, 44, and 100 hertz. It could be 16-bit, depende sa'yo. Sa ano naman to? Sa quality ng sound na pinoproduce ng device mo. Kung gusto mong gawing 16-bit, then that's okay. 24-bit as long na parehas lang yung frequency. Okay. So, we have this one. This is my digital output. This is my desktop speakers. So, go ahead. Advance. Same thing. Parehas lang yung setup. 44 and 100s. Click OK. Apply. Same thing with your speakers. Ito yung aking yung headset. Same process. Click advance. Same frequency dapat. Click OK, apply. And same with your laptop speakers kung gumagamit ka nun. Alright? Okay, so that is on this step. Next step, punta ka sa recording. Recording kung saan yung ginagamit mo na mic. Click mo lang. Levels. Oh, not levels, sorry. Advance. Then 41, 44 and 100 hertz. As you can see here, hindi ko yata nakalimutan ko lang na nailipat yan dito. Pero okay, apply. But this time, kasi ginagamit ko siya for recording this video, and I should not do that. Kasi mawawala yung voice recording ko. Alright, but same thing. Pare-parehas lang yan. As long na parehas lang yung frequency. Kasi pag hindi parehas, magkakaroon ka probably ng ano, magkakaroon ka ng tawag dito, ng static noises from your devices. Kaya kailangan pare-parehas yung frequency. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm I'm saying it correctly. I'm not really a sound engineer, but I think that could be the reason. All right. Yes. So that's it for this setup. And sounds, wala kang gagalawin dito. You don't need to to do something here. Punta ka ng communication. And I suggest that when you're talking, or when it detects communication activity, pag ganyan, dapat naka-check tong do nothing. Kasi pag naka-reduce yung volumes mo, on the other hand, syempre, yung mga naririnig mo from your device, hihina siya pag gumagawa ka ng video call like that. In our case, as a teacher, we're using class and that is considered as video calling or live streaming, then magre-reduce yan ng sound pag naka-on to. So, do nothing. Okay, so that's all. So, yun ng, okay, and ano pa ba? Okay, now go back here. Click right-click again. Open sound settings ka naman. You have to click sound. Makikita mo si sound na option. Choose your output device. Nandito, itong tab na to, you have to choose BB audio device. Or you can change it here. Yeah, you can change it here actually. Pero, yun. Pag kasi iba yung naka-ano dito, yun lang yung speaker na maririnig mo. Hindi mo siya maririnig from any other devices na nakalink sa kay Voicemeeter. Kaya, yun, recommended din to. Okay, so that's the step for this, the first step for this one. And, ito, choose your input device. Choose your input device, meaning ito yung, ano mo, mic. In my case, I'm using Crisp, so yes. And ito yung pinaka-importante. Advanced sounds option. Open this one. Hanapin mo si Google Chrome. Yan. Unlike others, naka-default. Si Google Chrome dapat na cable input and cable output. Yes, parehas Sky. Oh, ewan ko makikita nyo ba? Yes, as you can see, cable output baby audio virtual. Yan, dapat parehas lang sila. As what I've said, ito yung pinaka-cable mo kay Chrome. Pinaka-link ni Google Chrome papunta kay Voicemeeter Banana. Okay, so I guess malapit na tayo matapos in this process. And ano pa ba? Wala na. Yun na lang. Oh, one thing. Punta ka ng Google Chrome. Okay. Google Chrome. If you want to use this feature over here, ito, translate by voice, then go to your settings, Google Chrome settings. I don't know if you can see it. All right, Google Chrome settings over here. And privacy and security, site settings. Then hanapin nyo si microphone. Ito. Dapat naka-crisp or microphone. Depende kung anong ginagamit nyo na mic. Dapat yun. Kasi pag iba, syempre, hindi madedetect ni ano yan, ni Google Translate. Alright, now let's try kung gagana siya. Okay, a class in. Alright, now class in is open. As you can see, fluctuating, mic is fluctuating, means it's working. And ano bang magandang sabihin? Alright, ito. I want you to sing me a song.
我要你唱一首歌。
Oh, see? It's actually working because nag-fluctuate siya. And your class in settings also must be on your Voicemeeter output. Same kung gumagamit kayo ng a classroom na laging palpak. Yeah, I don't know what happened to a classroom. Yun din. Microphone nyo dapat naka Voicemeeter output. Okay, I guess that's all. Ano pang kulang? Oh, there's one way. There's another, not one way. There's another thing that you can also do with Voicemeeter. All right. Yes, you can add some sound effects to your classes. And for example, oh, you've done a great job. Clap your hands. Yeah. See, you can do some sound effects. Oh no, you have done the wrong answer. Mhm.
Oh no!
Yes. Isang gamit din yan ni Voicemeeter. Okay, that was just a bonus in this video, but you can do that. All right. So anyway, I'll leave you to that and good luck on your setup. If you have any questions, by the way, you can just send me a message on my messenger, and I hope I can respond immediately. Okay. And for that, I will leave you right here.